Hello guys, today I want to speak about company Cardstack. Cardstack is an open source framework and consensus protocol that makes blockchains usable and scalable for the mass market, creating a decentralized software ecosystem that can challenge today's digital superpowers. Cardstack is the experienced layer of the decentralized internet. They believe that orchestrating cohesive user experience across blockchain and the cloud is essential to bringing decentralization to the mass market. This model based on blockchain technology, which presents with a rare opportunity. Company can break down the silos of apps defining the tech world today in order to produce a cohesive user experience, which established a flexible design paradigm that can orchestrate all the moving parts in the user's digital life. With the fluidity of token-backed applications, you can move beyond the icon per app business arrangement of the current mobile and cloud world. Yet for blockchain-backed application to gain mass market adoption, need to bridge the gap between the power of blockchains and the conveniences of the cloud. Cardstack's application framework and token mechanism combine the new possibilities provided by smart contracts while leveraging in the incredible global scale and cost efficiency cloud computing to deliver this user experience. Company has got mission to build an economically sustainable software ecosystem that fights back against the rampant lock-in mechanism of centralized platforms. Company Cardstack has got lots of future and benefits. For end users, they have got mix and match multiplier apps and cloud apps. They create amazing new workflow and app combination using Cardstack Hub. They use one token card that forms retainer agreements with all the services you need. Keep your data sovereign or transmit it anywhere easily. Card-based user experience. You can get started quickly with the fiat currency. No crypto expertise required. For developers, use the comprehensive SDK to build powerful, beautiful, and extensible apps. You can access a deep library of powerful drop-in functionality. Improve your app experiences using Cardstack's off-chain aggregation and get paid fairly by their community-run payment and governance algorithm. You can get reimbursed for your material costs, and also you can keep things 100% open source. Company Cardstack has got also benefits for analytic miners. You can do the useful work of powering community-run algorithms that create a fair distribution of wealth. You can help protect the system against outliers, bad faith actors, and spam. You can earn fees in the form of Cardstack tokens that can be held or segregated back into the ecosystem. Also, you can get compensated via a certification scheme that prevents single parties controlling the reward function. So you will ask, how does it work? Cardstack company has got three titles of work. First, app framework, second, aggregation protocol, and the third, ecosystem token. So what about app framework? Cardstack framework is a comprehensive SDK for building powerful cohesive blockchain apps. At the core is Cardstack Hub, which orchestrates data and value transfer across multiple blockchains and the cloud. Second is aggregation protocol. Cardstack powered apps can tap into the TEN protocol, which gives the apps the power to perform complex compilations to organize large networks of users, such as batching payments, counting votes, and rewarding good work. The third, ecosystem token. Developers can monetize their Cardstack-based apps via the smart contracts powered by the Cardstack token card and Ethereum-based ERC20 token designed to fairly reward Cardstack-powered communities. And the third, ecosystem token. Developers can monetize their Cardstack-based apps via the smart contracts powered by the Cardstack token card and Ethereum-based ERC20 token designed to fairly reward Cardstack-powered communities. Company Cardstack has got three layers. First layer, security ledger layer, which is blockchain Ethereum. Second layer is scalable payment and governance layer. It is ecosystem token card and aggregation protocol tail. And the third layer is orchestration and experience layer. They have got app framework, Cardstack Hub, and next generation blockchain applications. So you will ask, what about Cardstack tokens is the fuel and catalyst for the global movement towards a sustainable software market built on open source code and powered by crypto economics. Cardstack token is a utility token allowing end users and businesses to use applications that interact with multiple blockchains, decentralized protocols, token-backed apps, and cloud-based services while paying a single on-chain transaction fee. In this specialized settlements network, software makers earn tokens from a road pool proportionately allocated based on usage data code dependencies, users' feedback, and transaction history, which is crunched and verified by analytics miners. Software and services need predictable pricing. To get started, a user converts Cardstack tokens into non-transferable tokens called software and services coupons, which are pegged to the United States dollar before the coupon is deposited in an application's return contract. Meanwhile, the Cardstack tokens are added to the reward pool. When the app is used, coupons are burned to form an on-chain transaction history that helps determine an allocation of Cardstack tokens to reward makers. A smart contract under the user's control can top off an app returner with tokens, run low, while another contract operating at the network level can exchange Cardstack tokens to other utility tokens. Also, company Cardstack has got their own Telegram channel in which you can find all information about news, interesting facts about Cardstack. Also, you can visit Cardstack Twitter channel. There you can find all information about the relocation around the company. If you want to find information about news and other interesting facts, you can visit this Twitter channel. To sum up, I want to say that the Cardstack project is an emphasis on the future. The ideas laid by the developers of the project may not be revealed very soon, but the very essence is fundamentally important for the entire industry of decentralized applications. So thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Good luck.